There's a new gold rush, but not in the way that you would expect. In a world gone digital where streaming is the hot new source of entertainment and income, this is Faith Nelson with a look into online streaming with the Blueprint News Network.
While Twitter's Periscope and Facebook live streams have been around for quite some time, a different streaming platform is reinventing the way people produce and consume live content. Twitch was launched in 2011 but only began rapidly increasing in popularity in the last 2 years. With the unprecedented lockdowns forcing people to stay home and glued to a screen, along with the financial setbacks many faced, Twitch became a space where those seeking both some extra cash and entertainment went. Senior Jay Dewinski began streaming during the initial COVID-19 lockdowns and has since kept up the hobby. Dewinski shares what drew them to streaming and why they continue to do so today.
I started streaming because when I was in middle school, I started watching other streamers, and I wanted to be like them and create a community and make more friends from it.
Not only does Twitch provide a platform that fosters interaction and entertainment, it also grants many with financial success. Consumer education teacher Leanna Plosky speaks to the prize of false hope that comes along with the narrative of success.
My sons are 8 and 10, and they watch a lot of YouTube streamers, and they have this big dream that they're going to become YouTube stars and they're going to make all this money. And they watch Mr. Beast, who has, thousands of dollars and gives away money all the time and everything. And I think it's given them this false sense of hope that if they become a YouTuber, they'll make lots of money like Mr. Beast and the rest of them do.
Between equipment, time, and energy, the question is raised as to whether the investment is worth it or not. But the social and income aspects prove that it's not a totally empty deal. Faith Nelson with the Blueprint News Network, signing off.